Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ, and I'm so happy that you found my channel. For today, I'd like to help you invest in gold for the first time. So if you're a beginner, then this video is for you. But before we begin and getting into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We love getting advice, we love sharing, we love learning together. Then leave a comment below this video saying I subscribed, and I'm going to try my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Did you ever wonder why gold is so precious? Well, there are several reasons for it. The first reason why it's so precious is because of its scarcity. Gold is a relatively rare element with an abundance of about 0.005 parts per million in Earth's crust. This means that gold is difficult to find and mine, which adds to its perceived value. Gold is also a very durable element. It does not corrode or tarnish over time. This means that gold items can be passed down for generations, I'm sure you've seen this, without losing their beauty or value. Another reason why it's precious is because of its malleability and ductability. Gold is an extremely pliable and ductile element. It can also be beaten into very thin sheets or drawn into a wire. It can also be alloyed with other metals to create different colors and carats of gold. Gold's historical value as a precious metal for manufacture of jewelry, currency, and other ornaments has only increased with time. Because it's such a good conductor, gold is also used in many industrial applications like electronics and medicine. The store of value of gold makes it very precious. Historically, gold has been used as a store of value and a medium of exchange. Gold has also been used as money in different ways throughout history, and it's still a popular way to invest today. Gold is so valuable that it's been a sign of wealth, success, and power for hundreds of years. It's also often used in religious and ceremonial settings. All of these make people think that gold is valuable and makes it a precious metal. So, should you invest in it? In a word, absolutely. I'll tell you why. You see, gold is a hedge against inflation. Historically, the value of gold has tended to increase as the cost of living goes up. So it's safe to say that gold is some kind of protection against inflation itself. Another reason why you should invest in gold is that it's a safe haven asset. In times of economic uncertainty, you can turn to gold as a safe place to store your wealth. This is because gold tends to hold its value very well. Gold is a practical investment option because it can quickly be acquired and sold. Investors and traders have regarded it as a safe investment option. So if it's your first time investing, then you're on the right track for choosing gold. Here's a beginner's guide on how to invest in gold. The first step is to research the different ways to invest in gold. Gold can be purchased in physical form, such as coins or bars, or in paper form, such as ETFs or mining stocks. Each option has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to understand the differences before making a decision for yourself. The second step is to determine your investment goals. Are you looking for a short-term or long-term investment? Are you looking for a safe haven asset or a speculative asset? Knowing your retirement goals will help you decide which type of gold investment is right for you. Then evaluate the cost and risk associated with each investment option. Physical gold, for example, may require storage and insurance costs, while ETFs may have management fees. It's important to factor in these costs and risks when making your decision. You want to make the right one. The fourth step is to open an account with a reputable dealer or broker. You'll need an account with a dealer or broker to purchase gold. Look for a reputable company that's properly licensed and insured. Then make your purchase, only after that. Once you've decided on the type of gold investment that's right for you and have opened an account, you can make your purchase. You'll need to provide personal information and fund your account before you can make your purchase. Remember to keep track of your investment, keeping track of the price of gold and the performance of your investment at the same time. This will help you make informed decisions about buying and selling in the future. Now, you're probably going to wonder where to store your gold. Well, that's a pretty good question, and I'll tell you where. There are several safe places to store gold, and you can start with a home safe. This is a convenient option for small amounts of gold. Another place to consider is a safety deposit box at a bank. Banks offer secure storage for valuables, but may charge a fee for this service. You can also look into a professional storage facility. These facilities are specifically designed to store valuable items and typically offer a high level of security. In a gold IRA, an individual retirement account, gold can be purchased and stored in a special type of IRA account. which provides tax benefits and the added security of being insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the FDIC. Aside from knowing how to invest in gold for the first time, you now know the various ways to store it. You're pretty much all set. Learn all about gold and silver and how to invest in an IRA by clicking on the link in the description below this video. And one last thing before you leave, if you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Thanks for watching.